Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I am Dr. Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 125, and in this episode I will talk about the scoping review. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this lecture I will talk about the 4 points about the scoping review. Number 1, what is a scoping review? Number 2, what are the alternative names of a scoping review? Number 3, what are the characteristics of a scoping review? And number 4, what are the limitations of a scoping review? Point number 1, what is a scoping review? A scoping review is a preliminary assessment of potential size and scope of available research literature. The aim of a scoping review is to identify nature and extent of research evidence, usually include ongoing research. This definition is provided by the Grant and Booth. Point number 2, what are the name of a scoping review? The alternative names of a scoping review are scoping study, systematic scoping review, scoping report, scope of the evidence, rapid scoping review, structured literature review, scoping project, or scoping meta review. Come to the point number 3. What are the characteristics of a scoping review? Number 1, a scoping review is done before to conduct a systematic review. Number 2, a scoping review identify gap with the intention of resolution by the future publication. And number 3, a scoping review examining emerging evidence when specific questions are unclear, clarify definition and conceptual boundaries. 4, identify and map available for the evidence. Number 5, scoping review is summarize and disseminate research finding in the research literature. Point number 4, what are the limitations of a scoping review? There are few limitations of a scoping review. Number 1 is scoping review is not easier than systematic review. Number 2, scoping review is not faster than systematic review. It may take longer time from the systematic review. Number 3, scoping review more citation to screen. Number 4, scoping review different screening criteria process more than a systematic review. Number 5, scoping review often leads to broader than defined search. Number 6, scoping review requires multiple structured search instead of one search strategy. Scoping review increased emphasis for hand searching of the literature. Number 8, scoping review may require larger team members because of large volume of literature. Here I conclude the episode number 125. In this episode, I discuss 4 points about the scoping review. Number 1, what is a scoping review? Number 2, different names of the scoping review. Number 3, what are the characteristics of a scoping review? And number 4, what are the limitations of a scoping review? Thanks for watching till the end. I will back soon with another informative episode.